Yes, hi everybody. It's already 5 minutes. Okay. So hopefully you all enjoying your time in Auckland, and we really happy to come back and here to join the FOSS4G community again, and similar face always, and same amazing energy everywhere. I guess I imagine most of you have already heard a lot of technology part in every talks, but like Victor tells, algorithm performance issues. But today I want to take a little bit different approach because our team, like the reverse visualizer, is doing things a little bit different. And we will try to go through some use case to share the idea how to use a reverse visualizer as a communication tool, and how we make it works in the some citizen workshops. And at the same time, I will go through some fancy features which allow user to develop any plugins or very quickly, and anybody can happy during the workshop. So that's my plan today. And yeah, let's continue. So who we are? Yeah, we are Yukalia. We are a team came from Japan, and we have a bunch of service in our brand is we have a brand called the Reels. You can see Reels everywhere. This FOSS4G, and we have several we have ecosystem. We have several service flow, CMS, and visualizer. So the visualizer is the thing I want to share with you today. And we are a team based on Japan. My name is Red. Everybody call me Red. I'm actually a UI UX designer, not that GIS engineer, but try my best to work with engineer team to develop the designer interface and try my best to understand all the requests, no matter the user or the client or also our engineer team, to make our product as a reasonable product. Of course, our product is open source. You can find the source code on GitHub, and you can get that all detail. Okay, so what I want to say is GIS is so complicated. Every people, it's almost have every technology, like web rendering, like data management, everything. But at the same time, when every time our client come to talk to me is, hey, Red, we know GIS is fancy, but actually what we want is things like this game. What's the game is called? Skyline or something, right? And that's what we want. And we want our student, we want our citizen to use this thing, but don't give me GeoJSON. No, what's that? What's JSON? Right? So it's always the thing we are facing every day. So people will think GIS is easy, but can we do build a thing like a game? And but it's difficult. And that's what we try to solve the problem and try to make a bridge between the GIS world and the normal community world or use case. Okay, basically today I will give 4 use case sharing. One use case came from the Kumagaya. Kumagaya is a small city in Japan, just beside Tokyo. And there is a high school. I think the government wants more students to join the topic or discussion with the government. So they have 3 high school students to get together to go through a workshop to experience urban planning and also share some idea about the city itself. Okay. So here you can see some images. It's how its real projects looks like. The Kumagai High School Urban Planning Workshop. There are some key points. So they will get together and go to the high school student. They will get together, led by the teachers. They will go to the area and learn the area, what happened. And no matter the history, I know even they were born in the city, but actually they don't have much knowledge about what city happened here immediately or the current situation. So they go to the area, then come back, go to, like, of course, the field work, and then come back to the classroom, and also like the brainstorm, and come to some ideas, and then like do some 3D modeling and put everything on the, on the map, right? So like the tool they use is our reverse visualizer, and it's kind of like a 6-student team, and then finally they will have a presentation like on the city hall, and share the idea with all the people there. And what we did, we, every people talked to me, hey, Red, we want a game. So gave us a game. Okay, then how to make a game? Create a game is so difficult in a very, very short time, and no resource, no money. So basically, we create a plugin like this. The plugin, it has an interface. It allows people to add the 3D model, from the catalog, and put everything on the map, and also change we use the Platon Open Data. The Platon Open Data basically has all 3D data of the city, so student can maybe delete one building and add more building and just make it fancy. So I have a brief a demo here, and you can see what it looks like. Okay. Now I'm opening our service, and then this is our how it looks like. And the plugin looks like this. You can have like a 3D category model, catalog, and also you can add the data here. Click it, you can find all open data. For example, I can add the usage, planning usage data here. Then you can see all the data. For example, this area is a business area. That area is a transformation area or something. And I can also, of course, we can have so many other data. For example, I can add 3D building data. It will be, yeah, I know it's a little bit heavy, but you can see the all data is try to rendering, be added to the map. Okay, you can see here. So the Platon data is open source data, which have more than 2,000 city building data, I guess. Kind of things. Then students, okay, let me delete it, and then student can find the buildings. I want this one. I click it and click on the map. Come on, yeah, okay. Then this, I can also give some fancy tree. Okay, tree. And what is best? I can not only edit, but also can try to edit it. I can change it, rotate it, see, and rotate it, and make it a little bigger. No, it's just the height, and make it bigger, 200%. Yeah, a huge building can be done. Something like that. And the student can do it easily because we make a customer interface for them. And after they did it, they just share that project and to everybody. Everybody knows the URL, they can open the project immediately. So we can, what is interesting is we can see some student project. And for example, we can go some project. Actually, I don't know what the detail of the inside the student idea, but it seems after they research, they want to think, okay, let's make the city more easy for people. The mom and the baby, mother and the baby. So they try to change the city looks like this, and you can click it, and well, I don't know. I'm not sure that the road will help the mother or baby or not, but somehow it's some idea inside their mind. You can see. Okay, like that. I know this must be some story there. They have like the similar presentation like I did here. Yeah, that's one project. Oh, you can see it's like just the primary school besides the Eki, so mothers can go to the station, and then like maybe the baby is also there. So you can see that's some project. Of course, we have so many other projects. You can come to the website, search it, and you can, like anybody can find how the student there do the presentation and how their project looks like. Okay, this is one use case I want to share because we don't have much time. I want to move to the next part, how the system, our system, become so easy to make some plugins because we try to use QuickJS and use QuickJS and make a sandbox, use iframe idea, and the plugin system allows plugin system to connect all the third-party service or something. So this year we also developed the plugin playground system to help people, easily to develop the plugin. And we also have a widget light system, allows people to like drag and drop to put the widget here, everywhere, here and there. And I can quickly show what's the current our like okay, yes. Yes, this is our plugin playground, and while we will try to make it as a very, a sandcastle type of editor. So user can directly write the code source here, and we gave a lot of, let's make it a little bit bigger. Easy to say. It's all kinds of like example. For example, I can add some easy data. Okay, let me add a point cloud data. Okay, this is example to add point cloud data, and the source code is like this, not much. And we use one Nagasaki point cloud data and click the run code, then immediately the code will be triggered and you can see the result. And our system, we use CISM as render engine, and the CISM is quite nice, like tool map engine, which allows people to add 2D and 3D, and 3D tiles, 3D model, everything, CZML file, everything. So, we just create this tool to easily develop the plugin. Yes, of course, all kinds of UI you can do. Click it, you can see. You can customize like kind of UI with pure HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So that's our plugin system. Make it very, very easy. Okay, so next use case I want to share with us, everybody here, is the Takanawa Gateway. It's a new station of railway station in Tokyo. And there is one workshop, the government or the station company want to get all the people, local people together to tell tell the story of the place, the local place. So people get together, and then they also do the similar thing. They do the field work and get some idea, and then go to location place, and then use our visualizer to make a story to tell what they found. Okay, so you can see the picture there, and this black guy is me. And yeah, the final project is also quite interesting. They make three big theme. One is history, one is play and relax, one is architecture. And I like the history one first, so let's open the history one. Okay. And and that's how it looks like. Okay. Maybe a little bit heavy, but yes, it's the final project looks like this. And this group people, they'll just go around with the area and try to figure out the history, what happened, and the interesting thing happened on this area. So you can see they found some like section before its entrance of the whole Edo city, like the old Edo, ancient time city, Edo Jidai. So it's here, then like they come to the like some famous place and then come to the memory place. And then it's because you can see it's a scroll, you can scroll down and it come to the like a point and they go to, yeah, like it's something here is student and they ask the teacher's question and teacher answers everything. So you can also see here it's like 3D scan model. It's like how say some ancient building there, but now it's not used. But like they do nice 3D scan it in on the map to show the history. And then what they did, they also go to oh yeah, let's go to the old war. And also it talk about some like from the foreign country people come to the Japan. It's also the first place they come to here. Then maybe this place is the place where they, yeah, like this. It's an old temple, so also do the like 3D scan everything. Yeah. So like I just want to stop here, and basically they just the group work looks like this. Okay, I will stop here. So they also have a play and a relaxing and also architecture project. So what we did here, because they use the feature of our like storytelling. Our storytelling is no engineer feature. Everybody can use that tool easily because it's very, very easy to use. I mean, I come to here. Okay, let me quickly. Any project. Let me come to my personal workspace. I can come to here and like add this page and add a new page, like add new pages, add some content there. So and you can scroll down or something. So it's a very, very easy tool. It allows anybody. I mean, okay. Okay, so can we get more time because it take a little time at the beginning. Okay, thank you. And not much left. Okay, so the next use case I want to quick share is like in Japan, we have flood. So we have also some workshop to allows people to experience when the flood happen, how you can escape. So we have a quick, also because of we have like plugin system, and like we develop some plugin to teach the older guy, especially the older guy, to how to use the system to immediately find when the disaster happening, where they should go. So here, you can switch on the like shelter information, and you can choose river. You can see here, like it's kind of like when like flood happen and what the situation looks like. And actually we have some, yeah, I can pick up or play. I can pick up a point on the map and then choose a place to want to escape and choose a river, and then I can search the loot. After I search the loot, oh, okay, you can see here. So when flood happening, like maybe that's sometimes in some moment the road where cannot go because the flood is come. So it's in some moment like you should not go. So yeah. So that's application which teach people like, okay, so how this situation happened, how you need to escape, and which choice should be the right choice. So there's also one use case in our project. And also we have other project, because of time I will not say too much. So there is a kind of conclusion for me. Our visualizer, we can say it's a GIS tool, but the most important thing is it's a communication tool, which built for easy customized and thing with, because it's plugging with very easy code to write, to create a plugin, and also turn a map into a shared space for discussion, and also help the citizens, students, and government to understand each other easily. And small plugins, big communication impact, something like that. And we try to make the complicated idea more visible and more practical. So that's the idea. So basically that's it. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, Red. I believe we have time for one question, maybe two if we do them fast.
Thank you so much. This was incredible. I do have a question in terms of sharing the projects, or in terms of, for example, taking this to a community that wants to start doing some planning and stuff, but they are a community that do not have much access to internet, for example. How would that work? And also, when you say that you share it, you can only share it through Re-Earth platforms, or is it something that it's exportable and you can have it on as a personal server or something?
Sure, good question, actually. Yeah, thank you. We are not only a developer team, we are a whole company. So we are not only ask people to use this, but we go to talk with the government and talk with the student and teacher there to manage the workshop itself. So for example, it's case by case. Sometimes the workshop is with a primary school student, so they don't have maybe they have iPad, maybe it's not easy to use our system, but at least they can have take some photos, they have papers. Anyway, we plan the workshop, we go to the location to search what's the problem there and write down finally. Maybe we will get that information and manually put in our system. So it's kind of very case-by-case situation. We will not force people to use this, but we really hope we can give some solution.